Is there any queries up till? Okay. Now the elements of measuring the instrument. The main functional elements of measurement system that are the primary sensing element, variable conversion element, variable manipulation element, data transmission element, and data presentation element, or we call it as a functioning element. Okay, so these are the main functional elements. Apart from this, obviously, as the instrument is complicated, or we call it is a very precise one, very accurate one, that time definitely the other elements also we are add into it. But these the 5 to 6 elements are a common one. The primary sensing element, this is very important for you, because the element which is direct contact to measure it. Means again I give the example of the thermocouple. The thermocouple rod, we directly put it into the liquid, put it into the system, where which we have to measure the temperature. Okay, it may be the temperature of the gas, it may be the temperature of the liquid. So we direct contact of that rod, of that thermocouples, into the system, into that liquid. Okay, that we measure. So this is what primary sensing element. So this is what we call a primary sensing element. Then variable conversion element. What is that variable conversion element? Okay. What is that variable conversion element? That we call a secondary element. This secondary element, what is the function of this secondary element? It is whatever be the signal that comes from the sensing element, primary sensing element, it is due to the secondary one, and stochastic with the changing this certain conversion, and get the value of it. That the changes are done in the variable one. So that's why it is called variable conversion. So conversion the signal from the primary one. I give the example a bit. From that you can easily understood what is mean by primary sensing element, what is the secondary sensing element, and all. This is another part. What is this? Is variable manipulation element, data transmission element, to transmission the data. Manipulation is again we have to manipulate the things. Means if you measure the things in a small quantity, so is it possible for you to measure? I give the example that if say the length that you have to measure, it is in a say 1 mm or less than 1 micro or nano one. So is it possible for you to measure it, or you just seen by the naked eye with the help of the instrument? No. Now what you do, you have to manipulate the things. Means the small quantity you just magnifies it and in a large one. Okay, so that case is the manipulation of it. Then the data transmission element, as I said, maybe your process is in say the particular plant. There is a reactor, it is placed, and the signal that you get in a control room, because this is the automatic case nowadays. The automation of the industries takes place. I mean, in the automation, what happened? The plant is one side, and the signal that will get in another side. So in between that, the wire, that is what a transmission line, the transmission of the elements. So for the sensing, sense the temperature in the plant, and you will get us the digit in the control room. Okay, and from the control room again you transmit the signal on the basis of the whether it is required or not. Okay, so this is a transmission element. Then data presentation element. Data presentation means display, where you get a result, where you get a value, where you get the numerical values of it in terms of unit and all. So that we call the functioning one. So primary, secondary, manipulation, data transmission, and data presentation. Now look at the next picture. This is the block diagram. So this is the block diagram where it is show the one is the sensor, variable conversion element. This is a block diagram. Okay, sensing sorry, signal processing unit, then output measurement, and it is transmit the line. This is showing by the dotted line. So this is called signal transmission. Then from the signal transmission, it is used to signal presentation recording, where you use the measurement of the at a remote point. Okay, and then you get a display output. Now what is measure variable here? The sensor. What is the work of sensor? It is sense the changes in the system. Now I give the example of the thermocouple. In the thermocouple, if I give the example of the mercury thermometer, then the knob which is at the bottom side of the thermometer is the sensor, means where the mercury is placed. That was sphere, that ball, it is a sensor one. Then there is a variable conversion element. Now here the variable conversion element, the expansion of the what we call the mercury. Okay. Then the signal processing one, output measurement from it, transmit the data, collect the data, record the data, and you get in a display. So this is the elements of measurement: sensor, variable, signal processing, signal transmitting, and signal presentation. Now how? Let's take the example of the liquid thermometer. Now see, this is the picture. It is the pressure thermometer. Okay, it is not measuring the pressure. Again I said, though it is say the pressure thermometer. Okay, the thermometer is always measuring the temperature. So this is the picture. So what you see in this picture, this is the bulb where we put up the liquid which is expansion mostly. If we put the mercury one, then let's consider this is a mercury liquid. Okay, that is put into the bulb, and this bulb is closed, only the one opening at the top side. This is called a transmission line. Transmission line was capillary tube. Okay, it is mentioned the capillary tube. Now it is move the capillary tube to this one, this circle, half circle it is showing, and call the Bourdon tube. The Bourdon tube. Okay, this is the Bourdon tube. Again, it is made up by the metal. We see in detail the construction and working of it, but it is the change as the pressure change. The if the liquid move here, then it get expand and contract. Okay. Then another part of this one, it is free end. This is a free end, and this is the joint one. Only the movable part is this one. It is not move here. Then the linkages and gearing system. So as it is the free end, so it get movable, and this movable part is attached to the gear system. There is a pointer and there is a pointer scale. Okay, so this we call the pointer and the scale. So calibrated scale is here. This is we call it is a Bourdon tube. This is the linkages, the gear system. Okay, this is the capillary tube, and this is the bulb. Okay, now in this case, if you see, then find that this is the primary sensing element. Why I'm calling this is primary sensing element? Because this bulb is deep into the liquid. Now let's consider you have to measure the temperature of the liquid in the reactor. Now in this case, what happened? You have to put this bulb into the reactor. Okay, and because of this one, the liquid which is expand because of the heat gained by the liquid, it is expansion. This is the property of the liquid, and in this case what happened, it try to expand, means the volume say initially is say the 1 ml, sorry, say 10 ml, and then the volume get expansion because of the liquid, and it try to move upside because there is no chances of the expansion of the bulb. Okay, as it is a rigid one, there is no chance. So where is the chance? Only the opening at the top side, and which is connected to the capillary tube. Then because of the expansion, what happened? The liquid is full by the capillary, and as it is try to move here, and because of when the liquid is move here, there is a pressure exert on the Bourdon tube, and because of that the motion takes place, and this motion we convert with the help of the linkages and the gear. And it is because of this one, as the pointer is connected to the gear system, it try to move here and here. It is depend on the what is the mechanism of it. And this scale is showing it is calibrated scale. I'm talking about calibrated. Now this is a primary sensing element. This is a data transmission element. This capillary tube we call it is a data transmission element. This particular gear system and linkages is the manipulation element, because it is manipulate. We are not measure what is the volume. Okay, we are not measure what is the volume. We always try to measure what is the displacement. So here we get only the displacement of the Bourdon tube, and because of this displacement we have a gear system and pointer we attach, where it display here and left side, right side, whatever it is. And this scale is calibrated on the basis of that. means if say the 1 centimeter is display, means there is a 1 degree Celsius rise. If 2 centimeter is display, 2 degrees Celsius rise. So we are calibrate with the help of the standardization. Okay, with the help of the standard scale, we try to measure it and then we make this scale. Okay, and this is the presentation we call data presentation element, means the recording one. We get what is exactly the value of the temperature. The conversion element is what? This Bourdon tube, we call it is a conversion element. Conversion means capillary tube, it is transmitting the liquid in this one, and this Bourdon tube convert the this pressure system into the mechanical part, the conversion from the pressure to the mechanical part. So that's why we call it as conversion. Okay, and because of the pressure the displacement is takes place, and because of the displacement what happened, this pointer move left and right, and on that basis we measure the what is the temperature of it. So this is the system. For if you understood the system, then you can easily understood what exactly mean by the various elements of it. Okay, the primary sensing element, data transmission manipulation element, data presentation element, this one, and this is the conversion element. Fine, I hope you understood what exactly it is. In the next lecture we see the other things too, that is the one part that is it is the performance characteristics of the instrument that we see in the next lecture. Okay.